in class 6th and D. And Bacha, today I am here to continue a chapter which we are left in our previous classes, and which today we will continue with the long question answers of chapter number physical divisions of India. But the first question of long question, open your book at page number question answer page and look at the question long question answer. What are the advantages of India's central location? What क्या advantages होते हैं इंडिया की central location के? First advantage, international trade. Sea routes were developed in this region. Sea routes developed है तो बेटा आपको पता है, all of you know about that कि ना east side है ना Arabian Sea, southern side is Indian Ocean and west side is Arabian Sea, eastern side is the Bay of Bengal. So India is covered with three sides of water. So sea routes were developed in this region during ancient times. Ancient times से 90% of the international trade is carried out through sea routes. When the airplane is not invented or airplane was not invented and sea तो then what work? Sea routes is work. Sea route was work for the international trade. Second point is climate. India's central location benefit is India's climate. Being at the head of the Indian Ocean, its climate is shaped by the winds. बेटा सबको पता है, all of you know about that. तो हमारा our Himalaya mountain, कोई situated in Nepal, but ranges is Himachal, Himadri, Shivalik. Himachal is also consisted in India's location, India's point. तो बच्चा सबको पता है, all of you know about that कि Himalaya saves us from the colder winds coming from the China and Tibet sides. So its climate is also affected due to the central location of India. Being at the head of the Indian Ocean, its climate is shaped by the winds blowing over the ocean. Ocean से ocean currents आते हैं, मैंने आपको last chapter पढ़ाया था hot current and cold current about ना Venezuela current, Peru current, Cambodia current, which pick up moisture. वो जो current winds होती हैं, जो moisture, the winds coming from the ocean, it carries moisture. क्या कहते हैं moisture and cause rainfall. Cause rainfall. This is the second benefit of India's central location and near to the sea. India's location at near to the sea. Third is geographical unit. The Tropic of Cancer, you know about that कि India passes through a single line, a single latitude, and that's name is Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree north. What's the latitude extent of Tropic of Cancer? 23.5 degree north. Divides the Indian land masses into two equal halves, subtropical halves. India is coming into the two subtropical halves that divides divided by the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, into two equal halves, the mountains and the plateaus. The mountains, Himalaya mountains, Karakoram ranges, Shivalik ranges, and plateaus, peninsular plateau, southern part of India, joined by the plain regions, Gangetic plains, Brahmaputra plains, make the Indian subcontinent more central location. Thank you, bacha. Have a nice day. I hope all of you are able to complete that this chapter 1, long question answer, long question number 1. Thank you, bacha. Bye.